If you're tired of fake gurus, clickbait promises, and outdated side hustles, this is the only video you need. Today, I'll show you how real people are making real money online in 2025 with step-by-step proof, tools, and zero fluff. Let's go. And in this video, I'm going to give you 10 powerful ways people are making $100 to $10,000 per month online. Whether you're a complete beginner or already earning and want to scale, there's something here for you. Tier 1 AI-powered YouTube automation, $1,000 to $15,000. Month of faceless YouTube channels are dominating the platform. All you need is on a niche, e.g. motivation, tech, money tips. Script written by ChatGPT. Voiceover with 11 Labs or Wonder AI. Video editing using Pictory or CapCut. Thumbnail via Canva or Midjourney. Post one video daily and monetize with AdSense plus affiliate links. Proof? Channels like Motivation Mentors and AI Hustler are earning over $8,000 a month, faceless. You2, selling AI-generated products, $500 to $5,000. Month use Midjourney, plus ChatGPT to create digital products, journals, coloring books, printables. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. Use ChatGPT for descriptions and SEO. Tools, Midjourney for design, Canva Pro, BookBolt. Real story, one Etsy seller made $2,346 last month selling kids' AI-generated coloring books. 3. AI Blogging Plus, affiliate income, $300 to $10,000. Month. Blogging is alive, but smarter now. Use ChatGPT Plus Surfer SEO to write blog posts. Focus on low-competition keywords. Use Ubersuggest. Monetize with Amazon Associates, Impact.com, or ClickBank. Start on WordPress, Bluehost, or Webflow. Optimize for Google. Proof. Authority Hacker built niche blogs that earned 6 figures yearly using this same method. 4. Monetized short-form reels, $200 to $3,000. Month platforms, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Tools, CapCut AI, Veed.io, or Opus Clip. Use ChatGPT to script, 11 Labs for voice, then edit into viral reels. Monetize through TikTok Creator Fund, USA, UK, Canada. Sponsored shoutouts. Driving traffic to affiliate offers. Example, a faceless TikTok account earned $1,270 last month just pushing one Amazon product. 5. AI course creation, $1,000 to $20,000. Month use ChatGPT to outline and script a full course. Use ScreenPal or Loom to record slides. Platforms, Gumroad, Teachable, Kajabi. Topics, AI tools, productivity hacks, business, side hustles. Proof, top Gumroad creators make $10K plus monthly selling AI-generated courses with minimal overhead. 6. Fiverr, Upwork AI gigs, $300 to $7,000. Blog writing, Midjourney image generation. Create packages on Fiverr or Upwork and scale with automation. Tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Resume.io. Real case. One Fiverr seller made $6,812 in 60 days offering AI-powered sales letters. Remote AI virtual assistant, $400 to $5,000. Research tasks using Perplexity AI. Customer support automation. List on platforms like Online Jobs, PH Fiverr Pro, or directly pitch startups. Real proof. A VA using AI tools now charges 35-hour part-time. 8. Selling templates. Plus Notion systems, $200 to $3,000. Month use ChatGPT to create Notion planners, budgeting spreadsheets, AI prompt libraries. Sell on Gumroad, Notion Market, or Etsy. Tools, Notion, ChatGPT, Canva, AI preset packs. Proof. Multiple sellers have made over $1,000 in a week after going viral on Twitter or TikTok. 9. Building AI agents or chatbots, $1,000 to $15,000. Month. With tools like Replit, Agent GPT, and LangChain, you can build niche AI assistants. Sell them to businesses as SaaS tools, or use them to build lead capture bots. Monetization, subscriptions, one-time sales, or affiliate automation. Real example, A solopreneur sold a custom AI bot for real estate leads and made $12K in a month. Tanten, selling faceless AI channels or digital assets, $3,000 to reers, $30,000 one time. Grow a faceless AI YouTube, TikTok, or blog for 3 to 6 months. Then list it on Flippa or acquired.com. You can flip channels, blogs, or courses built with AI. Real story. One person flipped a 10K subscriber AI channel for $21,000. Closing 30 seconds. You just saw 10 real ways people are making serious money online with AI right now. No fluff, no theory. The only thing stopping you is doing nothing. Pick one method, start today, and watch the results compound.